Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens, and in this video I show you my updated eyebrow routine for thin brows, which is also beginner friendly. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So those were a few products I use to do my eyebrows every day. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to do my brows. Now when you're prepping your brows, you want to brush the front part of your brows going up and the rest going back. When filling in your eyebrows, you want to use the brown pencil because it comes out natural. Also use a light hand when filling in your brows. When you get to the front part of your brows, you're going to outline the top and the bottom. With the spoolie, you are going to brush and blend everything in. Brush the front of your brows up and the rest of your brow going back. Next, take your flat makeup brush and your foundation and start shaping your eyebrows. You always want to start your foundation a little bit before your brow to give you that ombre effect. Next, take your beauty blender and blend your makeup around your eyebrows so your brows will look natural. You always want to make sure you blend between your eyebrows. And that is my updated eyebrow routine. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye!